An unfinished second floor becomes a sleek, steel-inspired office space in the latest transformation by DeSalvo Construction. That story on today's Daily Buzz.
The Daily Buzz is brought to you by 717 Credit Union.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Daily Buzz. I'm Mike Malaturno. When DeSalvo Construction first built the Warren Fabricating headquarters in Hubbard, they left the second floor unfinished, an intentional move to leave room for future growth. 5 years later, that empty shell has been transformed into one of the most eye-catching office spaces in the region. In this installment of our Constructing a Legacy series sponsored by DeSalvo Construction, we take a look inside the newly completed second floor, designed to impress clients, support employee well-being, and reflect the industrial roots of the company that calls it home.
Constructing a Legacy is sponsored by DeSalvo Construction.
When DeSalvo Construction first built the Warren Fabricating headquarters at Ohio Steel Sheet and Plate's Hubbard site in 2019, the second floor was left vacant, an intentional move to accommodate future growth. That future arrived in 2024 when DeSalvo returned to complete the build-out, transforming more than 3,000 square feet of raw space into an executive-level office.
The core of the building was there.
Right.
So basically we went in with metal studs, drywall, the new glass and glazing. There's a lot of natural light, open space, all the mechanicals and electricals to support the new conference room and the AV systems.
The new space stands in contrast to the more utilitarian first floor. Decorative lighting, premium finishes, and custom casework create a modern, inviting environment.
The folks that are on the first floor are very jealous of the folks on the second floor.
Oh, yeah.
Because they have a higher end finishes to the space. Really try to wow new clients when they bring them in.
So when you first come in, you are in what we call the common area, and then you can see here we use planters with greenery, so it has a double effect. One that is welcoming, bringing greenery, but also there is an office right behind, so it provides some privacy for the office.
Design firm Montague Design led the interior vision, working alongside Springboard architecture to shape what had been a blank rectangle into an inspiring workspace.
They created the layout, the office layout, all the architectural details like the curved walls over the conference room to utilize the space. We were hired to bring life to that shell, if you will, to select all the finishes and furniture and lighting and everything. So once it's black and white, to bring it to life. And of course we collaborated with the client. He really wanted his team to feel welcome, to feel comfortable in this office. I want to show you a wonderful feature also. Again, we're talking about steel sheet and plate, so their material is steel. And actually, it is pretty funny because this is the favorite element of the owner, is that wall here.
Wood accents, glass partitions, and recurring rectangular motifs reference the steel sheets that are central to the company's identity. Natural light and visibility were kept priorities. Desk positions were carefully planned to give workers clear views of doors and windows, supporting both comfort and focus.
So especially right now when companies are trying to bring their employees back to the office, so they've been used to working from home in a cozy environment. So I think there's really a need for companies to create an extension of the home into the office and making it pleasant. The other thing that is really important to us is that the team members are part of the success of the company, and so they need to feel like excited to go to work and also connect with the product that they do.
The most challenging part of the build, installing an elevator in a waterlogged site. The deep pit required a custom pump system to manage groundwater.
We had to design a way to keep pumps running while we built the space, and a permanent solution to keep the elevator from having that groundwater infiltrate it.
Construction moved swiftly despite the obstacles. The project wrapped in just 6 months, on time and on spec.
We started September, October, built through the winter inside, their second story, working with Montague Design, Springboard architects to bring their vision to life for that corporate office space.
Montague says the space now reflects not only Ohio Steel Sheet and Plate's heritage, but also its future, blending industrial identity with modern workplace design.
A project like that is really a collaborative effort. It takes from the client, the architect, and then the construction company and the designers. So really it was a perfect case, perfect scenario of how collaboration can go well.
It's the ultimate compliment for us to be able to go back to a client that we have worked with in the past and, build another phase. A lot of our work we have now is repeat customers. That's, we pride ourselves on, putting the project first, taking care of the client so that when they're ready to do another phase or another building, we're the ones they call.
You can see more stories of transformation at the Constructing a Legacy portion of our website. A link is in the description. And that is going to do it for today's Daily Buzz. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Mike Molaturno.
$717 Credit Union. Savings power to give your business an extra boost. Business savings, certificates, and business money market. 717 Credit Union. Make your money work as hard as you do. Check out our business money market and CD rates at 717cu.com/rates.